Interior cleaning can be a hassle, but not if you have the right tools. So today we're going to talk about 4 ways you can use our interior cleaner to clean your Tesla. So before you get started, the best thing to do is make sure you vacuum and take all your stuff out. It'll just make it a lot easier when you're cleaning your interior. So for this method, you could use it on your seat covers, your armrests, and pretty much any wide areas. When you're using an interior cleaner, the most important thing is not to use something that's really chemically harsh, because when it dries out, it could actually damage the vegan leather on a Tesla. So our interior cleaner is super light, biodegradable, and just really easy to use, and it's odorless. So all you have to do is spray in the surface area, let it do its work, and then you just grab a microfiber, fold it into 4s, and just wipe down. And as you see your microfiber get dirty, change the panels, right? So just flip it around and then really get the most out of your interior cleaner. One thing to keep in mind is whenever you use any interior cleaner, you really don't want to spray and leave that. You really want to wipe it down and make sure that you get all of it and it dries. If you don't, you might get a temporary stain, and that's not something you want. So your Tesla is mostly electronic, and you really don't want to spray directly into some of these areas. So for example, your screen, or you don't want water going inside your, instrument cluster and so on. For those sensitive areas, what you want to do is spray the chemicals directly into your microfiber and then wipe it. This is the same for like the steering wheel, because if you spray on your steering wheel, it's going to get everywhere across that area. So instead, spray a couple, and then you're going to move around that steering wheel, so that'll make all the oils go away when you're wiping it clean. This would be the same for cleaning your screens and stuff, but I would recommend using our glass cleaner for that. Your mats are probably the dirtiest part of your car, mainly because you step on it, you go into muddy areas, and then you just track a lot of dirt. Sometimes it can be really hard to just clean it with a simple wipe. So what you would need is a drill brush, and this works really easy. Spray the interior cleaner onto your mat, let it sit for a little bit, and then use a drill brush and go over it. What this will do is it'll agitate it, but not only that, it'll foam up a lot. And this will grab all the dirt and then make sure that you get rid of all those stains. And once you're done, make sure you rinse it off with water, and then make sure to dry them before putting it back into your car. So at our shop, we love using the Boar brush, and it's very light, and it's great for crevices, right? So all you have to do is use your interior cleaner, spray in those sensitive areas, and once you lightly go over it with a brush, you'll see it foam up, and this brings out the dirt out of the interior, the oils, and all of those things. Once you do that, all you have to do is grab a clean microfiber and go over it and make sure you get all of the chemicals. This is particularly great for places like the cup holder, crevices like the door switches, and all those tight areas in the interior. One other area I love using the brushes is the creases of your seats. Some dirt is just really hard to get, so just doing this will agitate it and then bring it up, and then you can wipe it clean with a microfiber. Well, that pretty much sums it up. It's a great feeling to have your Tesla clean in the outside and the inside. If you have any questions, leave us a comment below, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we're coming out with videos every single week.